never not give you the music. But for now, can I please enjoy this phase of me being this dad? Learning all the type of sounds. My younger son is teething right now. So when he holds me, he holds me, he looks, he wants to know where my fingers are. When he sees them, because he's teething. He's teething. Like, I'm enjoying him seeing, do this. And then I get the things that he used for teething. And then I have to put the gel. And then I'm blushing him. And then he cries because he's sleepy for nuglala. And it's my time. Ahlanza ngaqedi kanti akhona mani yenzile ithi nje nje akhuluma into ezakuthi wathi mfowethu masilengi libule ngithi asibuya ngapha nje umuntu alibela athi hi man hi yes ngithule ngithi December la kuyi 10-15 thola nje kahle ibhanana limnukela kabi.
You batani bomkosi gantabafana basekanje. So they basically plan for the baby while we become a surprise. Hi, with your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Batani bomkosi, that is Oscar Mbyo, and he's talking about how much he's enjoying being a present father, and he is apologizing to his fans for not being that much active on the music industry currently and not releasing any hit songs as of yet because he's still enjoying being a father at 24/7. But the live was long. But even spoke about how he's enjoying feeding the baby and the times the baby will normally wake up at. I mean, he is involved in everything. But changing the diapers to him taking care of the child. But then the most shocking thing is that he's already planning to get his woman pregnant again. Hi bo, because apparently the woman is now attending a gym twice a day, and Oscar is just sitting there saying, gazi uyophelela ntombazana because mina ngiseza nomunye around to Nkosi yami abafana. But watching him enjoying being a father is indeed a beautiful thing. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.